The ninth question, state which of the following situations are possible and give an example for each of these. An object with a constant acceleration but with velocity which is 0. Can you give an example? He is asking. Yes. If a person throws a ball in the upward direction, it requires some kind of force which is greater than the gravitational force operating in the downward direction. Understand? And this gravitational force acting in the downward direction is called acceleration due to gravity. This is always a constant. It is usually 9.8 meters per second square. This value doesn't change. Now, this person has, by the application of force, sent the ball upwards. It will travel and travel and travel until this force works on the ball, and at some point the ball velocity will become 0. Why? Because this force is acting in the upward direction and this force is acting in the downward direction. It is pulling the ball downwards and it is spending all this force to keep the ball moving upwards by translating this force into velocity of the ball, supplying the ball energy to move up. Now at some point the energy gets exhausted and the ball's velocity becomes 0, but on this ball this force is also exhausted and this becomes 0. The force applied by this person on this ball, this also becomes 0, but this force acting downwards, this is acting upwards. Now this has become 0, but the force acting in the downward direction is in full steam. It is always constant, and therefore an object thrown upwards at the highest point, its velocity becomes 0, but the acceleration remains constant. This is the explanation for the first bit.